Meagan Good is opening up about a deeply personal decision that sparked both curiosity and debate. The actress recently revealed that she chose her relationship with Jonathan Majors over keeping a beloved pet cat she once owned. In a candid conversation, Meagan explained that her lifestyle and evolving priorities played a major role in the choice as her relationship with Majors became more serious. She found it increasingly difficult to balance her demanding schedule with the responsibility of caring for a pet rather than neglect the animal. She made the difficult decision to give the cat to a home where it could receive more consistent attention and care. She emphasized that the decision wasn't made lightly or out of disregard, but from a place of responsibility. Meagan described it as choosing alignment with the life she is building, particularly as her bond with Jonathan continues to grow stronger. The revelation has sparked mixed reactions online, with some fans praising her honesty and others questioning the decision. Still, Meagan stands by her choice, saying it reflects her commitment to making intentional decisions about her future, both personally and professionally. Ultima Ili, her story highlights the complexities of balancing relationships, career, and personal responsibilities, something many people can relate to, even if the specifics